Hi, it's Miłosz from Yepp. In the previous material, we discussed the marketing templates. But what would you say for creating the content even faster? That's what our content campaign feature makes possible. Let me show you how it looks like. Are you planning a product launch, promoting an upcoming event, or would you like to communicate something to your audience? The campaign feature enables you to create content for every placement at once. Let's start by selecting the blue plus new campaign button. Then choose all the placements on which you want to publish the content. The selection remains the same as for marketing templates. In the second step, define the campaign. Give it a title, its type, set the tone of voice and language. Again, we give you some suggestions, but the possibility to edit remains the same. In this step, also describe what you want your campaign to represent. The last step before generating content is to enter the campaign's objective, set the target audience, and to choose from which folders Yepp will draw knowledge and inspiration. Click Create Campaign and AI gets to work. With each post, you can ask for a new version to be generated. You can also change the campaign settings, so you can modify your choices on the fly. Campaigns automatically save in the Saved tab that I showed in the previous tutorial. Now your campaign is ready to be shared with your audience. Thank you and see you next time.